Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Izzatu Marjanati Idris and this video is about how to clean the refrigerator step by step, so stay tuned. Firstly, when the freezer are less than full, let to dedicate about 3 hours to clean the refrigerator. Secondly, all you need to have are sponge, soap, clean towel, tissue and antibacterial cleaning spray. Thirdly, unplug the refrigerator unit. For precaution, make sure your hands are not wet when unplug the switch to avoid any electric shock. Next, all of the stuff need to be unloaded. Everything that is past the expiration date or looks suspect, we have to throw it away. After that, any item that can be removed need to be taken out, such as rack, drawers, shelf, and brackets. Furthermore, the cleaning exterior begins with the top of the fridge and the floor underneath need to be cleaned. For precaution, do not clean the refrigerator with cleaner or car detergent for risk of fire. Other than that, the container of the water reservoir of the refrigerator need to be removed. For precaution, be careful when using the screwdriver because the eye is quite sharp and can hurt you. Besides that, return it to its proper place and plug the fridge back in. The items are rinsed and soaked. Additionally, refrigerator's water reservoir need to be reinstalled. Last but not least, a little more wiping. You are done once everything is in place.